If I can't,
then I must. If I can't, then I must. If I can't, then I must. If I can't, then I must.
next one.
Greatest failure in life.
Everybody, come on, everybody.
Participating 100%.
The greatest failure in life is
Not participating 100%. The greatest failure in life is not participating 100%.
choices have.
Consequences. Choices have consequences. Choices have consequences. Choices have consequences. Past is not equal to future. Past is not equal to future. Past is not equal to future.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.